Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica here, and I'm so excited to share with you an incredible 4K virtual tour of one of the Brazilian jewels, Ipanem Beach. This tour has been designed to remind us of our important connection to nature and the joy of traveling, so let's jump in the tour. Before beginning, we'd really appreciate it if you'd click the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section. That would be a great help. As we begin the tour, we hear the gentle waves rolling onto the shore and can already feel the inviting warmth of the tropical climate. We can just imagine the sun setting behind us and the colors of the sky reflecting on the beach. Breathtaking. Some of us might be fortunate enough to have experienced this in real life, and for those who haven't, it's one of that things that really needs to be on your bucket list. Looking around, the sand is soft and beige with a unique grain texture. It's inviting us to take off our shoes and feel the warmth of Ipanema beneath our feet. The blue-green waters, surrounded by abundant vegetation, are a sight to behold. If we focus our attention in the sky, the birds above us chirp and things get even more wonderful. Colorful little birds, free to go wherever the wind takes them, swoop gently and are a beautiful reminder of life. As we continue the tour, we take notice of the local culture and are amazed to see the beauty and diversity of people here. As we record the tour, we can appreciate music in the background and catch a glimpse of some traditional dances. With every step, we immerse into this amazing trip and truly appreciate the beauty and freedom of traveling. At the end of the tour, we feel refreshed and happy to have been able to appreciate the natural beauty of Ipanema Beach. But our journey isn't over yet. We hope to create more virtual tours.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.